Cuties to tease.
Hi friends, welcome to Cuties to Tease. Today we are going to make a DIY pouch in home. We always buy pouch, but today we are going to make it in home with just simple items in a home and some waste materials also. So let's see how to make it. For this you will need a very few things and a little bit of time. So we will need a plastic cover which will be any waste cover which you have in your home. So I have this cover. It should have a opening, and then we will need thread, needle, tape, scissor, sketch pen. So now first we are going to cut out this top part which I have. If you have any extra part like this, you can cut it off. So while cutting, be careful, don't cut the cover. There is a end in the cover, don't cut out. So now we are going to take that extra paper out. So if it does not goes fully, you can stick a glitter tape on top of it or any normal tape. If you stick it on top, then since it will be transparent, you will be able to see that. So don't stick any transparent tape. If you have any color tape, you can stick, or best is glitter tape because it looks more attractive. Now we are going to put some items inside. So in the opening, you should first open that, and I'm going to add some thermocol balls. So I have some colorful thermocol balls. You can also, it is very easily available in the market also. So you can add that, and you can add a little more because here we are going to fold it. So both sides it should be there, then only it will look nice. So I'm adding little more. Now I'm going to cut out a heart, and I colored it and I added inside. So you can add any of the glitter or any sparkles or whatever you have, you can add it inside. I'm also going to cut a heart from this tape, and I'm going to put this also inside the cover in which I have added the heart. So this also I cut it in a heart shape only. Next I'm going to make a in a paper. I'm going to make a drawing and some plant more trees I have written. I'm going to add that also. You can also add your name and all that, and you can insert inside. Next I'm going to stick a tape on top of the cover to close it, otherwise everything will come out. So after adding all the items, you should close it. So before folding, we should nicely spread it in the both sides. Otherwise, the thermocol balls will be in only one side or in the other. So it should be in the both sides. So let's nicely spread it and then close it. Now we are going to press it, and all the air will come out. Now we are going to stick the tape. I have a little big glitter tape. If you don't have that much big, you can also stick that tape in which I have closed that one. So you can also use that, but I will suggest that this big tape will be useful because we should stick both of the sides. So if it's big only, then we can stick it properly. Now let's stick it. Make sure you nicely fold it and again stick on top of the both sides. I'm going to stick this on top. In the other side also, we should stick it properly. So this is a very important part. Otherwise, when you open the top part of the cover, it will come out, and then you should again stick it everything, and it will become a very big problem. So make now next we will stick the tape in the other side also, and then we will again this side also the same technique we are going to use. And another thing is this, the part which is in front should be open. Next, if you are adding any water or liquid item with inside the pouch, like any liquid item like water or anything like that, then make sure the side, before you fold it itself, make sure the sides are proper. Because I didn't add any liquid, but if you want, you can also add any liquid like oil, any gel or any water, good look. So I didn't add anything, but if you add, make sure the corner, side and all is proper. Now we have almost finished the pouch, but we are still missing one main part. You can also leave it like this or add any other clip for that so that it doesn't come out, but we are going to stitch a zip on top of it, so that it looks like the pouch which we bought from the market. If you see any pouch, it will have a zip. So today I'm also going to show how to stitch a zip on top of it. I took this zip from the old cloth in which I had it. You can just take out all this stitched the thread and then it will come out. I'm going to keep this on top of it and cut out the extra part outside, that is coming outside, because that is not needed. It will just come out like an extra part and it will be very disturbing, so we will just take it out. Now we are going to, in the end of the pouch, if the zip opens so much, then it will come out. So we are going to make a stopping for that. So let's just make the thread go, put it inside again, and then it will come as a stopping. So I'm also showing you how to make that. We look, the zip is not coming out. You can make it as strong as you can, otherwise if it comes out then it will be problem. Now we finished stitching that also, so you can see how I have stitched. So now I'll stitch the other side also, and then I will show you how it comes. So now let's see opening this, and it will look so beautiful because if you take out, only the pen will come out and not the thermocol balls. So then it will be, when you see from outside it will be like it is inside thermocol balls, but when you take it out, only the pen will come. And also it is a very good DIY exercise, for you can make it with your friends, and you can also give this kind of pouch to your friends, because now school is going to start, and we all are going to again go back to our school with new pouch. So instead of buying from the outside market, you can take it from your own waste and you can make this pouch. It is very easy, and you can use a lot of waste items to make these kind of pouch. So we will meet you back in another interesting video and helpful video like this. Until then, bye bye from Kutties Chutties.